Welcome to your next Alabama Gulf Coast investment opportunity. I'm Jessica Limbaugh with Elite by the Beach. We're standing in Escapes to the Shores. I'd love to give you a tour. Come on in. Escapes to the Shore is a very spacious 2-bed, 2-bath unit. It's over 1,600 square feet. When you come to Escapes, you're going to feel like you're home away from home. Both bedrooms have king-size bed and their own ensuite. One bedroom has a completely private bathroom with walk-in shower and a jacuzzi tub. The second bedroom also has a bathroom shared with the hallway. It has a walk-in shower and jacuzzi tub as well. The kitchen overlooks the dining and living room with beautiful Gulf views. Escapes to the Shores is known for their large 2-bedroom floor plans, this one being over 1,600 square feet. This beautiful property sleeps 6. Escapes has resort-like amenities. They have an indoor heated pool, outdoor pool, 2 indoor hot tubs, a steam room, sauna, and so much more. Escapes to the Shores is a great investment opportunity. This current unit is projected to bring in between $75,000 to $82,000 in rental income, which makes for a great ROI. In this current market, a 2-bedroom, 2-bath at Escapes to the Shores is listed around $660,000. For more investment opportunities, please contact Jessica at Elite by the Beach, 251-949-2100.